from InkednLaced. What's new? How's everyone doing? I'm just chilling. Got a new tripod for my phone. Come with this little Bluetooth remote, which is pretty cool. Today I'm going to be talking about something totally off topic, totally different. Just want to talk about myself and how I portray myself and the things I feel are important. Thank you to everyone that's tuning in. I appreciate all the support, all the comments, DMs, all that. I really appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, first time watching this video, please like, comment, dislike, subscribe. Just show me that you're watching. Give me some queries or input or whatever. I've been at this for about 3 months. Started actively about a month and a half ago, like more persistent, I would say. It's going okay, I guess. My views and stuff are still very low. I don't really care. I'm just doing it to pass time. I enjoy it. I'm not one to talk much with people, and this is actually helping me speak more. If that makes any sense. Like, if I don't know you and if I'm not working, I'm not really one to interact. If I'm at work, I'm in a different state of mind and I can interact with anyone. Great customer service. Out in public, I just don't go up to people randomly and talk, or even my friends and stuff. I don't get really personal. Try to keep it as short as possible, I guess. Like, if you need help or whatever, I'm always one to help, or if you have a question, I'll always answer it. And I'm not like saying I don't speak to people in that manner. I'm just not one to open up to people. That's what I'm trying to get at. But I just want to say, like, what I'm trying to do right now, I feel will explode sooner or later. Because to something, I always achieve it. I never really noticed that until my girlfriend pointed it out, to be honest. Whatever I do, like, if I'm not really into it, okay, nothing's gonna happen. But if I like it or I'm really into it, that's all I do. Like, when I was in MMA, I was going to the gym every day, twice a day, watching videos, reading about mixed martial arts, studying different styles, doing anything I could possible to make myself better. At home, at the gym, even at work. I was always dedicated to it, and I was doing very well until things happened, right? I got sick. Work, any job I had, I never really had any complaints. And not talking about customer complaints, like my bosses or managers, they never really complained. Customer complaints, I always took care of them and always got them happy. Like, I started off at the bottom, started working my way up, became supervisor at one company. The other companies I was working at became supervisor at certain sites, and then they wanted me to be a full-time supervisor. Then I got promoted to a different department that pays more. Then I was supposed to be a supervisor for that department. My supervisor, I was just working as a regular worker, and when I was on the site, he's like, "You're gonna be in charge of these guys, you do great work." After that weekend, he's like, "I'm writing a letter to the main bosses. You're amazing at what you're doing. I love working with you." Stuff like that. Also, I was in school and working. Like, when I was 25, I went back to school, working. I was a supervisor. I gave up that position because I only can work part-time. And when I was in school, I was doing great. Got 92% grade average. I was also doing online courses separate from school. Then after school, still doing some online courses. Like, I have, I believe, 4 different licenses, about 25 different certificates. I got a diploma with distinctions from school. I'm just trying to say, like, whatever I do, I get all into it. So what I'm trying to do with this right here, all this right now, if I put my mind to it, keep at it, I'm definitely gonna blow up. And you're definitely gonna want to come with me for the ride. Um, I'll do whatever I could to help anyone out. I'm always fair. I'm always reasonable. I always try to give my 100% and give the best, like to say product, the best product at the best price or whatever it may be that I'm doing. The best service at the best whatever. So, if you guys doubt me, that's fine. You watch what will happen. If you support me, thank you very much. Either way, I like to hear anyone's opinion, anyone's input. I'm not gonna get upset. I'm not gonna whatever. I'll have an actual conversation with you. If I feel that you're right, have a good observation, I'll be like, okay, that's what's up, that's what's up. Or if I feel like you're totally off, I'm gonna tell you like, nah, no way. But like, if you tell me I'm wrong at something, I'm gonna own up to it. Like, okay, that's my fault. But if you're saying something that isn't right, I'm not gonna be an ass, but I'm still gonna say what it is. I'm not gonna be, yeah, so that's all I'm trying to talk about. Kind of boring video, but hopefully you guys got some input from me. Like, whatever I do, I get the skills, the knowledge, the technique, and I get the fucking dedication, the loyalty, the integrity, the work ethic, everything. I combined it and I just work my ass off. And with my coworkers like me. Like, yeah, sometimes I can be an asshole, but you know when I'm being an asshole, it's a damn good reason. But on the other hand, I'm always happy, I'm funny, I'm fun to be around, joking, good to talk to, I'm a great listener. And when people do talk to me, I do have good advice. But I also, at the same time, I'm down to work. Like, we can have fun and do all this stuff, but you better believe, like, number one, it's getting the work done, doing what's supposed to be done. So, like, I can't be sitting at home not doing anything. This is why I start these videos, because I can't go to work right now because of my back issue with the tumor. So, if anyone could, like, just tune in, listen, give me support, give me ideas of what to talk about, what to do, just greatly appreciate. Bottom of my heart, I would really, really appreciate that. It helps me stay motivated, helps get different ideas for different content, expands my horizon. My back's been really sore the last week and a half or so. I plan on doing something very soon with local shops. One seems to be down 100%. The other one, I'm not sure. He seems like he's down too. And the third one I got in contact with, I don't think they replied at all. But I just want to go in there, interview, like do a little, pick the brains a bit, show the shop, streetwear shoe shop, local shoe shop. So I'm going to support them. Like, what they're doing is great. Any local business that's legit and that is for the customers and that's involving streetwear, thumbs up to. So I want to pick their brains. I want to put them in my content because I like local business. I like where I'm from. And so you guys can see too, like, this is a great company, a great small business, whatever. And then give them a little bit of publicity. And I'm not really expecting anything out of it. Just get some knowledge for myself and get some videos that I can share with you guys and I can share with myself about these people that had an idea, were probably sneakerheads or streetwear heads, whatever you want to call them, and then said, yo, like, let's open up a shop, let's sell this and this, oh, let's sell vintage shit, oh, let's sell designer shit, oh, let's sell this streetwear hype shit, whatever. So let's sell all these different types of sneakers. Hopefully get that next week. I'm hoping at least one shop I can get to next week. We'll see how it pans out. I'm not really one to interview. I guess I can ask some questions. So please follow me on Instagram at _InkednLaced, Twitter at DTAT92, and go on my Facebook page, DTAT InkednLaced. I think actually my Facebook's just InkednLaced. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this or got something out of it. Like I said, just give me motivation. I will return the favor and give you guys what you want, hopefully. I can't please everyone, but I'm gonna try my best to. And like, some people are like, yo, you're just doing shoe reviews. You're opening sneaker boxes. Yeah, I am. But pretty much everyone has shoes. So I like to talk about the shoes that have more history behind them. I like to talk about the shoes that I feel are like have some sentimental value. Just shoes that tell a story and that like of the people that made them, the people that wore them, what they did when they wore them, what I did when I where I wore these shoes. You know, it's just like the history, sentimental value, the design, the materials. Nowadays, the materials are, you know, going downhill, but you do still have premium materials out there that they're still making certain shoes with. Then you have all these collabs. It's just very interesting, and like, it's art. Shoes, sneakers are art. Some are just, you know, everyday shoes, whatever. And I know a lot of people don't really care. Everyone's like, oh, there's shoes, like we got everyday shoes. But then there's a lot of people that really get into the culture. If you're into hip hop, shoes go with that. If you're into basketball, football, shoes go with that. Like skating, shoes go with that. A lot of things revolving around shoes, and that's like a main thing you need, are shoes. So style, fashion, shoes, come on. So it's not just shoes I'm reviewing, it's history. It's special, limited. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Peace.